Hello students, I hope you are all fine and in good health. In this audio presentation, I will discuss invitations and formal invitations. Let us come to some solved questions regarding invitations. See the very first one. Shamlal and Sons are opening a new general store and the name been given Galaxy Novelties in Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarika, Delhi. The inauguration ceremony is fixed for Sunday, the 19th of October. A specified year has not been given. It will be written in this way, as you know by this time, at 11 a.m. Prepare a draft of formal invitation letter for the purpose. So, an invitation letter has to be written for the purpose. Now, how will you proceed? As you can see at the very beginning, Shamlal and Sons, this has to be written in the middle. Next line, announce the opening of. The name of their store has to be mentioned in capital letter, Galaxy Novelties. It is a general store. That one also has to be mentioned. Remember, you have to write it within 50 words. So it should be compact and crispy at the same time. Now, where the store will be opened? In Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarika, Delhi. And what is the special occasion? It is inauguration. That one you can design it a bit. You can change the shape of the alphabetical fonts a bit, and then you can write on it on Sunday, the 19th of October, and then the year can be specified. At time has already been mentioned in the question, because from the question only you have to take out from the questions the information. So here also the time has been given 11 a.m. Next line, all are cordially invited. Visit for all kinds of grocery and domestic items. Now that one also has to be mentioned. It is a promotional event also, and also it is an event related with the inauguration of the store. Avail inaugural discount of 10% on all goods. That one has to be mentioned also, that those who will avail the opportunity on the day of the inaugural ceremony, the customers will get 10% discount on all goods. Finally, RSVP, that one has to be mentioned. Next line, Galaxy Novelties, and in the next line you can give a phone number. Now similar question, another one is there, but the theme is different. The question is, again I am repeating one more. I am moving on to the second question now. Draft an invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Rajkaran of 38 Kamal Kunj, Varanasi, which they may use to invite their friends and relatives on the 5th birth anniversary of their son Nikhil at their residence on 28th December, then a year can be specified. So, birth anniversary, or rather to say 5th birth anniversary of their son. So, invitation, how will you proceed? Now box, regarding the box as been shown here, you have to draw it, but after you complete the entire thing, that means after you complete the solution, then you can draw the box. So here the same thing at the very top, that is also at the center, Mr. and Mrs. Rajkaran. Next line, request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious means very holy, on the auspicious occasion of the 5th birth anniversary. Look, the change in the font structure, you can design it a bit, as you can see, of their son Nikhil. That one also you can make a box of that, and you can increase the font, alphabetical font, you can increase it. Design, you have to do a bit of a design also. At their residence, 38 Kamal Kunj, Varanasi. This particular residential address is already mentioned in the question, dear students. At 4:30 p.m. on 28th December, then a year can be specified. Finally, RSVP, Mr. and Mrs. Rajkaran, already given in the question. Phone number, you can give a certain phone number. So in this way, and finally after the entire proceeding is over, then you can draw a box. I am moving on to another important question. This is also related with marriage. Okay, the question is, your sister Nivedita is going to marry Akhilesh, son of Mr. and Mrs. S.M. Joshi, Nainital. Your father, Mr. K.S. Bhardwaj, has planned to hold the wedding at Hotel Kunal, New Delhi on 25th May. A year can be specified in this way. Time is written in the question at 8 p.m. So you have to now draft a formal invitation or write a formal invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bhardwaj, inviting guests to the auspicious occasion. Give other details. Do not exceed 50 words. I already told you, dear students, that the entire thing has to be written within 50 words. Now, how will you proceed? Mr. and Mrs. Bhardwaj request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter Nivedita with Akhilesh. Look at the thing, look at the alphabetical words like marriage, then bride and groom. Their fonts, you can make it slightly bigger than the other ones. Here also marriage, this word is written in a bigger way with a bigger font. Nivedita with Akhilesh, this one also has been written with a bigger font. And Akhilesh, it is mentioned that son of Mr. and Mrs. S.M. Joshi of Nainital. That one you can put in bracket. This information you will get from the question only. And on Friday, the 25th May, that is also mentioned, at Hotel Kunal, that is also been given in the question, New Delhi. Program, Friday, the 25th of May, reception at Bharat. That one you have to mention the time. Dinner, 9 p.m. Wedding ceremony, 11 p.m. Saturday, 26th May, then a year can be specified. Doli, it is 5 a.m. So everything related the marriage rituals and the reception of the guest, how, in which time it will be, in detail you can mention it in this way. But remember, you have to write it within 50 words. With see now, RSVP, Bhardwaj Chemicals, Faridabad, Knife Cosmetics, New Delhi, phone numbers been given, and on right side with best compliments from all relatives and friends. So in this way you have to do it. If it is related with an auspicious marriage ceremony, then you have to maintain a format in this manner. I am moving on to another important question, because these things are very interesting. If you see it once, you can easily do it. Question is, you are a student of Newtown Public School, Nagpur. The school is holding its annual function on Saturday, the 15th November. A year has been specified at 11 a.m. The HRD Minister Dr. M.M. Joshi has consented, the meaning of consented, agreed, to be the chief guest. Design an invitation card to be sent to the parents and other invitees. Do not exceed 50 words. That means you have to design an invitation card. So again, how to write? Probably by this time the format of how to solve the invitation is clear to everyone, I guess. So here also you see at the very beginning in the center it will be the principal, staff and students of. Then the name of the school has to be mentioned like Newtown Public School, Nagpur. Solicit the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of. Then the font shape has to be a slightly bigger, because this is the main thing. Everyone will be present for this main occasion, that is the annual function of their school at 11 a.m. on Saturday, the 15th November, year to be mentioned or specified, or you can keep it in this way as you know by this time. Then the name of the Human Resource Development Minister has to be mentioned. That one also you will get from the question only. Dr. M.M. Joshi, HRD Minister, Government of India, will be the chief guest and will give away the prizes to the students. That one also you have to mention. And finally, since you are the principal, so RSVP, after that principal has to be mentioned, then Newtown Public School, Nagpur, then phone number has to be mentioned. So in this way you have to do. I am moving on to one more important question, question number 5. This is also a very important one. See the question. You are the principal of Zodiac Senior Secondary School, Uti. The school has completed 25 years of its meritorious service to the society. The Silver Jubilee celebrations are to be held on Sunday, the 26th October. Year can be specified in this way. Mrs. M. Kamath, the founder principal, will preside. Draft a suitable invitation to be sent to the important dignitaries of the city and to the parents of the students. So how will you proceed with this? 25 years of meritorious service to the society the school has completed. So it's a auspicious occasion, a great memorable occasion. So how to proceed? At the very beginning, again in the center, you have to write the principal, staff and students of the name of the school. This type of information already from the question you have to take. Zodiac Senior Secondary School, Uti. No need to write senior SENIOR in that way. You can write it in shortcut. SR. Secondary also SECONDARY. In that way, no need to write SEC. That will be enough. Senior Secondary School, Uti. Invite you on the, then you can change the shape of the font. Silver Jubilee celebrations of their school on Sunday, the 26th October. Year can be specified at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. Where it will be? Where the entire proceedings will happen or occur, or where the gathering will take place. That particular venue or location you have to mention in the school. It will be in the school auditorium. So this thing has to be mentioned. You have to take care on this. Now Mrs. M. Kamath, see the design, it has been done in a lengthy manner, or rather to say the font it is slightly bigger. These designing things you have to do step by step. Just follow the technique, because I am very much sure that if you see it once you can easily do it. And see the next line. Founder principal of the school has kindly consented. Consent means to agree to preside over the function and give away the mementos or the prizes. And finally RSVP principal, then phone number. To if there is one phone number you give one, if there is more than one you give a semicolon and provide the next one. Now another important thing, another important question I am explaining it to you all regarding formal invitation. You are the secretary of Haryana Civil Medical Doctors Association, and see the address been given 2345 Sector 15 Panchkula. You have organized a seminar on AIDS, very important, for the members of the association, and invited a specialist guest speaker. Now you have invited a specialist guest speaker also to preside over the program and to speak on this particular serious issue. Draft an invitation for publication in the newspapers. Now this particular formal invitation has to be published in the newspaper. So how will you proceed? Again you see a design, design that you will see in the medical shop, or you will see near the dispensary of a doctor. That plus sign has to be given like this sort of a design you have to give in the center. Next line, medical seminar. Now in the next line you see the change in font. That this thing you have to note on your own, that how will you design, on which particular thing you will increase the font size. This thing you have to learn it, and obviously these examples will help you, and I am also explaining it, so it will be more clearer, I feel so. So let's see. It is a medical seminar, that is already given in the question, so from there you have easily got the idea. Now in the next line, again in the center, we take immense pleasure in inviting all the members of the now Haryana Civil Medical Doctors Association. This one all in capital letters with a separate font structure. With a separate alphabetical font structure you have to write, just like it is written here. To a talk here means to discuss on AIDS, a global concern. Global means something that is related with the entire world. It's a great concern, it's a global concern. That one also you have to change the font a bit. On, then you mention the date 17th August. Year can be specified in this way, as you know by this time, at 11:30 am at Hotel Ranjit, Panchkula 7. Guest speaker, you can mention a name, Dr. P.S. Aluwalia. Now, what is his post or designation? That you can mention in the next line, HOD Medicine, PGIMS, Chandigarh. Note, the program will be followed by lunch. This thing you have to slightly add in your solution part. Finally, organized by HCMD. That this is the acronym, or we can say the short form of Haryana Civil Medical Doctors Association, HCMD Association. Then 2345 Panchkula 15, that is the address, and the pin code also, and then phone numbers has to be included if more than one. So if you feel like if you want to give two phone numbers, you can give a comma in the middle, and then you can give another phone number. So after you complete the entire proceedings, then you can draw a box as been shown here. So dear students, at 6 questions I discussed. There are plenty more. 6 questions I have discussed. Please listen to this audio presentation, and I am very hopeful that you all will gather a lot of information regarding this invitation, formal invitation, how to proceed with this. So this particular audio will help you in that. Thank you students. Thank you all.